Hello, I'm Maria from OlderFitterStronger, and today we've got a really nice workout. It's a strength workout using one of these balls. You could use any ball for this. I've got a Pilates over ball. You could use a kid's ball. We're going to place it between our ankles, just above the ankle bone. I'm going to hold on to this, and you're going to spread the toes, just lifting up the heels, giving the ball a squeeze at the same time. So we're working the feet, we're also working the calves, we're also working the hips as well. So squeezing gently as you lift and lower. Let's do 5 more. Good. Squeeze and lift. Good. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Fabulous. And you can always pause the video and do another couple of sets of those. Next exercise, we're going to take the ball between the thighs, just above the knee. I'll show you from the side. Gentle squeeze of the ball, and we're just going to sit back into a squat. Imagine you're sitting down onto an invisible chair while squeezing the ball. So we're working the hips, we're also working the inner thighs, and getting a little bit of pelvic floor connection as well. And we're doing 10 of these too. This is number 5. Keep squeezing. 6. Keeping the knees tracking nice and straight over the middle toe. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Lovely. Okay, and then before we go on to our next strength exercise, I'm just going to show you a little balance and brain health exercise. We're going to take the ball like this from hand to hand. So we're challenging a little bit of coordination, a little bit of proprioception, understanding where your body is without losing balance. And your brain's got to work hard as you pass that ball from one hand to the other. So this is a really good one to throw in, just to challenge yourself, challenge your coordination and your balance. And you could make it as big a movement as you want. Obviously it gets a little bit harder, or you can make it as small as you want. Okay, let's go on to our next exercise. We're going to take the ball onto the wall, and I'm going to take it to the back of the knee and just go up a little bit onto the back of the thigh. My knee is bent, and then I'm going to straighten it and press the back of the leg onto that ball. So this quad is working really, really hard. Good. So go from bent to straight. Doesn't matter what you do with the other leg, you're just focusing on this leg. And we're going to do roughly 10 of these on this side. I think I've got 2 more to do. Tighten the quad. Last one. Lovely. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. So ball behind the thigh, just above the knee. Bend and then press. Bend, press. Push. Good. So really feel this quad tightening. Number 5. Number 6. Push. Number 7. 8. 9. Last one. Okay, and our next exercise is a little bit more challenging. We're going to take the ball onto the wall, and you're going to place the knee onto the ball. Hips are level, knees are roughly level, and then see if you can bend this outside leg and then bring it back up. You can hold on for this one because it is quite challenging. That's it. We're working the hips, we're working the thighs, so the muscles that support the hip and the knee. Good. This is number 4. I'm just going to start off with 6 of these, but you could work up to higher reps. That's it. And then switch to the other side. So knee onto the ball, hips level, feet hip width apart, soft knee, and then bend, keeping the knee tracking nice and straight. 2, 3, good. 4, 5, 1 more. And release. Fabulous. Okay, and then we've got one more exercise to do, and that is just going to involve marching on the spot and throwing the ball up. So again, this is a bit of lower body, but it's also challenging your brain because you've got to do two different things at the same time. So we're getting those neurons firing, and you could do 10 of these, or a little bit more advanced, you could try jogging on the spot and doing it. Obviously just work to your own ability, and if you're unstable, then you would probably leave this one out. But give it a go, see how you get on. Hope you found those useful. Do let me know, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, bye-bye.